you can hear me. Welcome back to the channel. I have been away for about 2 weeks, but I'm here, I'm fine, and I hope you are fine too. Today our video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to share with you how I pack for vacation. Yeah, so I am going on a little mini vacation, and I was about to pack my luggage, and I decided why not share with my lovely subscribers how I pack for vacation. So I'm a very organized person. I love everything in its place, and that's with my entire life. I don't like chaos. I love organization, and it translates into how I travel too. So yeah, let's get started, guys. What I hate more, or what I don't want to use hate, what I detest more, although it's the same thing, but what I detest more is to get into a hotel room and after 2 days everything is all over the place. I do not know where my shoes are or where my toothbrush is, because everything is just scattered all over the place. I love to have different compartments for different things, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Let us start with personal care and makeup and fragrance, etc, etc. So I hope you can see this. I got this on Amazon recently, and I like it a lot because of the compartments in there. So the little makeup that I'll be using while I'm on my vacation, my foundations, I have 2 foundation sticks here. I'm just going to place it in the compartments here, in here like this. I'm not sure if you can see. Maybe I should bring you a little closer. So yeah, these are my foundations. I put it in here. Some concealer. This one, I can put it in here also because it fits. For the items that are very long, that cannot fit in here like this, or that won't be able to stand, there's some place here you can put it. So 2 of them could fit in here, just like that. I also gonna put my lipsticks in here. 2 of them can fit in here. 1, 2. I'll put my blush. These are some earrings that I will be wearing while I'm on vacation, so I will just fit it flat in here and put the blush right here. We can also fit in some of these lipsticks in here. So that's it for makeup. One thing about me, I will pick an outfit and I'll be fine with it, but when it comes to fragrances, I'm very indecisive, and this time I'm going with quite a few. This one by BDK called Gris Chanel, one of my favorites. Also, I have a travel size of Sunset Hour by Goldfield and Banks. I also have Ingenious Ginger by Goldfield and Banks. Those are very beautiful in case you want to try. And I also have Pomegranate Noir by, this one is by Jo Malone. And my favorites, Santal 33 by Le Labo. I love fragrances on vacation because anytime I wear the fragrance that I wore on a vacation, it takes me back to that moment. That's why I love, it's very important for me to travel with fragrances. Okay, so we have packed fragrances, we have packed makeup. Now we have our hygiene stuff here. So we have some lotion, put it in here, some lotion here. We also have some toner for my face, which I decant. So I have a little bottle that I transferred some of my toner in this bottle for traveling. I can put it in here, it won't spill. This is also a body wash. Put it in here. My deodorant. I also have my mouthwash and toothbrush and toothpaste. So here you have it for this little box. I don't have a small Ziploc bag, so I use this little bag to put some cotton balls that I will use for my with my toner. Oh, mascara for sure. Yeah, and then voila, we zip and our everything in one place. You see that? Very organized. Your makeup, your fragrance, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, everything you need right in this little space here. So guys, I will tell you something. I iron before vacation. I make sure that all of my clothes that I will be using on vacation is ironed. So right here are all my ironed clothes that I ironed earlier today. I am going away for, I think, 4 nights, 5 days, 4 nights. So I think I have about 10 outfits in here, 2 per day, morning and evening. I do not just wrap my clothes and place it in the suitcase. I don't like that, because that's where the chaos begins. Because as soon as you get to the hotel, you will just be going through your suitcase like this, trying to find this, trying to find that. Where's my this? Where's my that? I don't like that. So I have these little bags here. I think it came with about 5, but because this is a short vacation, I will be using only 3. So this small one I usually use for my underwears. So I'm just going to place all of my underwears right in there, and my bras also, and I just zip it up nicely like that, and I know that my undies and my bras are right here. Okay, I might also, I don't know, sometimes when I go on vacation, I am very shy and I'm still reserved, and I'm still an introvert even on vacation. So most likely I might not go into the pool. So I'm still going to hold my swimsuits. So I have 2 swimsuits in here. I just hold this little bandana because the sun might be hot and I just want to tie my hair. Then I put my PJs in here. I'm just gonna hold 2 PJs, one for if I feel to wear something sexy. So yeah, and voila, there you have it. I also have this other PJ that I might wear. I don't know, it says sleep. I might also carry it with me based on how I feel. I will wear it, or based on the temperature of the room, the hotel room, I will decide what I want to wear. And okay, now this is the biggest bag. This is the large bag. So I'm just going to place all of my outfits in here for the duration of the trip. So I place this here. Like I said, it's already ironed. So as soon as I get to the hotel, I just put it in the closet on hangers. So I don't know. Okay. That's a lot of clothes, but you know us women. But I hope I just get into one outfit and that's it. I don't want to be, trying to figure out what to wear and what not to wear. So yeah, this is it. Also, I have this little belt, so I can put it in here, and there you have it. You see that? So this and this. We are going to pack our shoes. I'm just taking with me 2 sandals, nothing fancy. And this one. And also these ones, those. I buy a lot of things from Shein, but those were not from Shein. But yeah, I shop on Shein a lot. Okay, I simply place this here. I put this one in here. I put this one. Voila. Also, we have this other one. Well, I usually take it with me, and while on vacation, I usually put some of my dirty laundries in here, or I use one of the bags for dirty laundry. I usually carry this so I could spray the hotel room like that. But I also think that I will put this one here for now. And there you have it. You see that? And the clothes until I'm ready to go on my trip. So guys, tell me what you think about my packing skills. Tell me any suggestions you have will be greatly appreciated. I will take you on my vacation with me. I'm not telling you where I'm going yet. I will tell you on my next video. So have a great week ahead, and I see you on the next one. And if you are here for the first time, I hope you like it. I hope you decide to be a part of the family. And for all of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for your loyalty, and thank you for always coming back and watching my video. I'll see you on the next one.